Last time we created this module also. First is completed, and after the second one's there. Let us see. Okay, okay. Just go to the launch and app manager and sales. Okay, just search it here. App manager. Okay, app manager. And if you not enable this cloning, just enable to this button. And after this, go to the sales. Uh, Here is two cells are there. Just click on lightning cells. Okay. Go to here. Click on edit button. And next is cells app lightning cells. Okay. And create navigate item. Okay. This navigation item. After that, sometimes navigation app not showing. Just log out to your org and re-log in. Okay. And where is the vehicle? Here we can just include it here. Just add it here and save this one and save. Okay, and after that refresh this page. Okay, we already are refreshed. Okay, and okay, we all are added and click the up arrow. Okay, dashboard object manager, click on save back to upper left. Okay, and go to the back menu. Object manager here, and after that uh, tab. Okay, such it here. Interest and click on edit. Okay, no, something strong. Just go to down and here is the edit button. We just need to edit. Okay, and you add some description here. Inform say imported from customer with spreadsheet. Okay, this here. After that, click on save. Okay, that's it. Save it here. Okay, just check it. Okay, in this model, one need to some changes and description added. First, wait a minute. Yeah, first you go to the setup, and after that, we created last day. We are creating a vehicle object by a spreadsheet. Just go to object manager, click on app manager. Then there are two cells are in there. You just click on lightning cells with edit button. Okay, here is edit button showing. After that, click on navigation item. Sometimes navigation is not showing. Then you just need to log out your org and re-log in. After that, you just add a vehicle interest and you just add it and save it. Then go to the back object manager, and just click on edit button and add some description information imported from customer based spreadsheet and just save it. Updated your challenge completed. If you any query then comment it. Thanks for watching. See you later.